This is my second video of shortcut trick number 2, which is square of numbers from 51 to 59. So if we will apply the normal methods to find the squares of a number, then this will be little lengthy. With this method, we can find the squares of number very easily. So here is a two-column table in which the first column is a number and the second column shows the result. Now we will be discussing how we can obtain this result very easily. We can get our results in 4 simple steps. Let us discuss these steps in detail. The first step is to subtract 50 from the number. So suppose we have to find the square of the number 51. The first step is to find 51 minus 50, which is equals to 1, and we will say it as A. Suppose we have to find the square of number 53. First we'll obtain 53 minus 50, which is equals to 3. So that is the first step of the calculation. So here is the second step. The second step is to add A to 25. Now what is this A? This A is the one that we have obtained in the first step. Okay, how we have obtained it? We have obtained it by subtracting 50 from the number. Let's see. Suppose we have to find the square of a number 51. The first step is to find A, which is equals to 51 minus 50, which is 1. Now what we'll do with this one? We'll add this one to 25. And what we'll get? 26. And what is 26? That is our first 2 digits of our result. Got it? Okay, let's take another example. Suppose we have to find the square of a number 52. The first step is 52 minus 50, which is equals to 2. Now we'll add 2 to 25, which is equals to 27, which is our first 2 digits. Okay, let's go for 58. For 58, first we'll subtract 50 from 58, which is 8. Now we'll add 8 to 25, which is equals to 33. That is our first 2 digits. Now we are in the step 3, through which we'll get our last 2 digits. Okay, for last 2 digits, we'll first use the first step. What we have done in the first step, we have subtract 50 from the number. Okay, so suppose we have 51. First we'll find 51 minus 50 equals to 1. Now what we'll do with this one? We will square this one. Yes, we will square this one, and that will be our last 2 digits. If we square 1, we'll get 1. But we need 2 digits. So for that purpose, we'll write 1 as 01. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose we have to find the square of a number 52. First, we'll subtract 50 from 52. That means 52 minus 50 equals to 2. For the last 2 digits, we will square 2. That is equals to 4. But we'll rewrite as 04. Yes. Let's take for 58. First, we'll find 58 minus 50, which is equals to 8. Then for the last 2 digits, we will square 8, which is equals to 64. Okay. Now since we have got our first 2 digits and our last 2 digits, so our result is what? First 2 digits and last 2 digits. That means a 4-digit number that contains first 2 digits and last 2 digits. Very simple. So here's a table that is explaining all the steps together. Let's start with number 51. Okay. So our number is 51. What we'll do? We'll subtract 50 from 51. That is 51 minus 50 equals to 1. Now what we'll do with this one? Yes, for the first 2 digits, we'll add 1 to 25, which is equals to 26. And for the last 2 digits, what we'll do for this one? We'll square 1 to get 01. So what will be my final result? My final result will be 2601. Okay, let's take 52. For 52, 52 minus 50 equals to 2. Now we'll add 2 to 25, which is 27. That will be my first 2 digits. For the last 2 digits, I'll square 2, that is equals to 4. So my final result is 2704. For 53, what I'll do first, 53 minus 50 equal to 3. I'll add 3 to 25 to get 28 as the first 2 digits, and I'll square 3 to get 9 as my last 2 digits. So my result is 2809. For 54, 54 minus 50 equals to 4. Then we'll add 4 to 25 to get 29. And for the last 2 digits, we'll square 4 to get 16. Our result is 2916. 55. First step is 55 minus 50 equals to 5. We'll add 5 to 25 to get 30. We'll square 5 to get 25 as the last two digits, and my final result is 3025. For 56, 56 minus 50 is 6. I'll add 6 to 25 to get 31. I'll square 6 to get 36 as my last two digits, and my final result will be 3136. 57. 57 minus 50 is 7. I'll add 7 to 25 to get 32 as my first two digits, and I'll square 7 and get 49 as my last two digits, and my final result is 3249. For 58, I'll subtract 50 from 58, which is 8. I'll add 25 to 8, which is 33. I'll square 8 to get 64, and my final result is 3364. For 59, 59 minus 50 is 9. I'll add 9 to 25 to get 34. I'll square 9 and I'll get 9 to 81, and my result is 3481. Okay. If someone asks you to write the squares of number from 51 to 59, you can notice a pattern here. So it is starting from 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. And the square also square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6, square of 7, square of 8, and square of 9. So this is also a pattern that you can observe. Okay. So this was the second trick for finding the squares of number from 51 to 59, and I have explained it in detail. I hope you will like it. And if you like it, then do press like button. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe it. If you want to share with your friends, you can share it. And if you want to give any comments, positive, negative, both are welcome, then you can comment also. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.